こんにちは、チャートマスターの根崎ゆうきです。6月13日、木曜日のセッションリーキャップ取っていきたいと思います。よろしくお願いいたします。それでは始めていきましょう。
Euro is moving up here. It's late in the session. It's going to have a hard time. The channel's right here. It should take out that 33.50 and pull back. You get a little pullback, and we may come all the way to the other side of the trend. If you get all the way over here, you definitely want to make that trade right there. Up to the R6, 34.06 is the target. So,
ユーロドルですね、60分チャート。このチャンネルがきれいに効いていますと。で、should 3350まで行く、行ってもおかしくないですねということですね。で、戻ってきて、チャンネルの底に来て、上がってきたらもうここまで R6 の 1.3406 まで狙っていきたいよねと言っていました。
3400, especially if it comes over here, you want to take the buy here for sure. Right? Now, I'm going to pop a set of fibs on here to find out where the retracement may take place if it doesn't go to the channel. Right? So we can see the 50% is a good place to come. Down to the 50% where you got this 70 fib extension, the support, resistance, right there at the 50.
で、この直近の動きからフィブを引いて、チャンネルまで来ないとしても、チャンネルの底に来ないとしても、どこで跳ね返って買っていくべきかなっていうところを引いています。で、50% のフィブにこのレジスタンスとかサポートがあるので、ここ強いかもしれないねと。
Down, we'll put this up down here at 50, and we're going to double our position above the 33.50 because we're going to 34.06. So we got 56 pips above there, so double your position above 33.50.
33.50、3350で買い増しをしていきましょうと。
And it'll be a nice little trade. Not a very big trade, but it is there. Always remember you're trading with the dumb money, so be judicious on your stops because those 5 to 8 pippers guys will whack them. Alright, pound, there's nothing for us to do, but if you're in the trade, you're going to hold to the 57.25.
ポンドドルですね、今トレードはないんですけど、もしエントリーしている人は57.25、5725まで引っ張っていきましょうと。
So, CAD. We're waiting for a second part of this trade to go down. They're really having trouble with this 101.50 number. For whatever reason, that 101.50 is one heck of a number here. So we're looking for this opportunity below 101.50 right here, and it's about 60 pips down there. So you definitely want to take that trade if you get it. Right? So they still have not taken this PSR out. They got within a couple of pips, but they didn't get it out. So.
ドルカナダですね、このサポートを超えてきたら売っていきたいですよねと。
Having trouble with that 101.50. So breaking the 101.50, that's where you want to be. Right?
101.50、1.0150 より下ですね。
Oh yeah, I wouldn't be surprised, Elvis. Alright, Swissy, nothing for us to do unless we break this down through the F6 here. Let's go take a look at down on 60. We got lots of room to the downside here. Alright, so this hook back up here was good. This target's now out. That is a day chart bottom. So if they make another move, they keep selling dollars, they're going to keep going down, folks. So this has been taken out. Alright, so the next target is the F6, and then all the way down to 9100 down.
ドルフランですね。これ下がってきたら、ここまず黄色い HSI、その下はこのチャンネル9100、9100ですね。を狙っていくんじゃないかと。
Here, so big opportunity if we can get this thing going. So it all depends what they're going to do with the dollar. If they can start selling dollar pretty briskly, which they're not, that's why it's having trouble going. If they start selling this dollar here, then we'll be interested in it, right? Now, if they sell the dollar and the oil keeps going to the other side, that means the CAD is going to go the other way. And so that helps us a lot in understanding why they're stalling out here. Because nobody's willing to come into that down trade while their oil is being bought. Right? So, over the dollar yen, we've had a break here, and we've had a hook, but we haven't had a go. And this is a big opportunity later tonight. Right? In the Asian market, if this continues to the downside, then this is it. But you can see we're making higher lows. Well, that's not a higher low at all, so forget that. But we do have a diagonal here, and we could go this way. Right? It's on the dollar index. It's automatically on the dollar index one.
ドル円ですね。ドル円インデックスを見ながらやっていきたいんですけども、下がってくると見せかけて上がっていってしまうかもしれないので、注意が必要ですねと。
Download the dollar index and get this with the mini crude side by side. US dollar index is paired with mini crude on that page. Alright, Aussie dollar, we're waiting for the break of the wedge. Alright, if we break the wedge, there's no doubt we're going to make this trade. Alright, break, hook, and go, and you're looking for the target at 97.10.
OG ドルですね、60分チャート。このウェッジ抜けてきたら間違いなく買っていきましょうと。97.10、9710まで買っていきましょうと。
So make sure you get a break, hook, and go. In the meantime, you're inside the wedge. Well, just change it. You can just change it. Just go down to the bottom. All you got to do is go. If you've got a euro down here, just go down to the bottom and type in mini dot crude. Right there. Mini dot crude. Right there. And you got it. All right. Euro yen. That's reminded me I have a webinar here. All right. If we get a sell down here, we're going to be interested in this sell. All right. At least to this double bottom down here. Let me take it up to a 60 where we can see it a little better. All right. So you can see this is part one of the trade, and this is part two down here. All right. So big snowman. I love snowman. All right. So trade one is down to here. Trade two is here. All right. So we may get that tonight.
ユーロ円ですね、60分チャート。売りで見ていきたいですねと。ここ1つ目、スノーマンの1つ目、2つ目のスノーマンという風に取っていきたいよねと。
And the euro yen can make that whole move, so be ready for it. Double bottom is down here 126.21. That's as far as
121.61、126、61って言ってましたけど、12631か21ですね、これね。21でしょうかね。12621がダブルボトムがあるので、そこを狙っていきたいねと。
I would say too, here's a trend line, it's a double bottom. I'd be done with it there. Euro yen, same thing. I mean, pound yen, this may break right after we close down. So be aware that if this breaks, hooks and goes and takes the 150 out and continues on down, we're going down to 148. That's 200 pips.
当然ですね、ここブレイクしてきて150円っていうのをブレイクしてきたら48円まで狙っていきたいですよね。200ピップあるのでこれ狙っていきたいですよねと。
And pound yen can make 200 pips with an inch sweep. So it's still pushing down, so we'll see. We might get that. All right. New Zealand dollar. We're waiting for this trade to the upside. You're going to have to make this one quick, and you're going to have to get out of it by tonight because we have a lot of announcements on the New Zealand. So if you get a break, hook, and go, you want to take this. The first target is up here at 80.78. Second one is 81.13. All right. So we are interested in that trade. We've talked about this at length. Today, I mean, we put a lot of time into this New Zealand, so we're going to be interested in that. Double your position above the 08,000, depending on what time of day it is and when it happens. You can't do it if it's later today because you've got announcements on it. You've got to get flat by the night, by the announcement time. The yen,
9ドルですね、キウイドルでしたけど、買いで見ていきたいんですけど、ニュースの発表までには決済しておこうねってことでしたね。続いて OG 円いきたいと思います。
It come down, you know, it was an opportunity this morning, but I just didn't like it as well because of the head and shoulders problem. Right? So we're right here at the bottom of the trend line. There's nothing for us to do in this currency, folks. We can't trade it into a downtrend trend line. Euro pound, if we continue to move up, this is.
OG 円は今トレンドラインの下にあるので、売りで見ていきたいんですけど、売れないよねっていうことでしたね。続いてユーロポンドですね。
The last day you can trade this euro pound. All right, so we continue to move up and get out of this wedge here. We're going back up into the wedge. We're in a big wedge now. If we get out of here, we're looking for that target right there. If it doesn't happen today, you're done with the euro pound because it doesn't move fast enough for you to get any pips on it.
ユーロポンドはウェッジを抜けてきたらトレードですねと。
By Friday. Euro Aussie, we're looking for the breakdown to the downside, and you know. Take a look at the structure. We got a 1, 2, 3 thing. So we're interested in this trade a lot. Alright, especially if we take out the 139.80 area right there.
ユーロ王子は今1、2、3、4、5でこのサポートをブレイクしてきたら売っていきたいよねってことを言ってますね。
Trade down at 38.34. Alright, that's 160 pips, folks. Don't miss that trade.
見逃したくないですね。160ピップあるので見逃したくないですねと。
Euro CAD, looking for the breakout up to the top. We've got one here, but you got to be careful because they've attempted this multiple times and we're unsuccessful. You get a break, hook, and go. It should take the 3600 out, which would stop it and drive it back down to the trend line. Once you get to the single line trend line and bounce, you want to take that trade back up to there.
ユーロカナダはこのブレイクフック&ゴーで買っていきたいねと。で、何度か挑戦してトライしてダメだったんですけど、まあブレイクフック&ゴーで買っていきたいよねと。
That's the area we're looking for. So up around 3680 area, that's what you want to be looking for. Double your position above the 3600 on the upswing, not on the downswing. So if it pops up here, don't take it there. Wait for the pullback and then take it on the upswing on that to the top. So there you go. CAD yen, we're looking for this break to the downside. We've had a break. We've actually had a hook, as you can see, break and a hook, and we're in a go part right now. So there we are. We're in the go right now. No momentum driving it. We're at the 94. Below the 94, we got a trade down at 93.26. So pretty good move here. Pretty good opportunity below this line here. So let's put a little arrow here. It says that's what we're looking for, right there. And not enough room to move it to double your position here. So this is going to be only a one trade down here. One trick pony here.
カナダ円は今ブレイクフック&ゴーになってますよねと。ブレイクしてきて、フックしてきて、今ゴーってなってるので、今売りですよねと。今ちょうど売りですと。で、ここを目指していきましょうねっていうことですね。
Not real fired up about that, but New Zealand yen.
で、これ現在の僕の PA チャートなんですけど、93円26銭を目指してって言ってたんで、93円見てみたんですけど、93円28銭まで行ってますね。なので、スコットの言う通りぴったり行っていますと。次、9円見てみましょう。
If we do break this single line trend line, as you can see, there's 100 pips there on the downside, but this is the head and shoulders right now. So be careful. Alright, when it negates the head and shoulders, then you can take this trade here, and it may actually go down to here. Alright, which is 75.13 is the first target. 74.14 says there's 100 pips in here. Alright, now that's the bottom of the trend line here, so I'd be real leery about it. If you get this trade and you take it on, I wouldn't double my position. I just hang on. When you get to here, move your stop, and maybe it'll break and go.
Alright. 9円はこのトレンドラインブレイクしてたら売りですよねと。で、まあ売り増しとかはしないで、もうトレンドラインチャンネルの底が近いので、ポジションは一つだけやって、ブレイクしてたらもっと伸ばしていくっていう方法を取りますと。
Take it on. I wouldn't double my position. I just hang on. When you get to here, move your stop, and maybe it'll break and go.
まあでもヘッド&ショルダーの可能性もあるし、気をつけなきゃいけないよねってことを言ってますね。
Now New Zealand, we've got a break and a hook. We're looking for a potential to the downside. We have done an ABC, so but if it turns to go to the downside, then we'll have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So 3 and the 5 wave are the same, so it should come down here to 94.17 from 96.52.
ポンド9位ですね。60分チャート。まあこれが1、2、3、4、5になるかもしれませんと。今ちょうどブレイクしてきてフックしてるんで、下がってきたら売っていきたいよねと。で3と5っていうのは同じ長さなんで、まあ、この辺まで下がる可能性あるよねと。
So we'll definitely be interested in that sell if it does it, and if it breaks back up into the channel, we'll be definitely interested in the buy. So we'll go either way on this one.
まあこれどちら行ってもポンド9位ですけど、どちら行っても興味ありますよねと。チャンネルの中戻ってきたら買いたいですし、このまま下がってきたら売りたいですよねと。
Alright, if it breaks to the downside, it's a break and a hook and a go. We're going down to 94.17. If it breaks back up in here, we're going to do the double top up here. So either one of these is a good trade. Alright. And beware of the fundies this afternoon. It's got a New Zealand in it, so that's why. It's got a New Zealand in it. There's a fundies this afternoon on both of those we just went through. Silver, we're waiting for the break of the neckline to the upside. Until it does that, there's nothing to do because we got a head and shoulders in. Alright.
銀 XAG はヘッド&ショルダーになっているので、これブレイクしてくるまですることないよねと。
So pound sheet coming down hard right now. We're stuck in a wedge. Nothing to do in a wedge. You can see this is a corrective move right here. Let me scrunch up the candles. You can see it's a corrective move inside a day chart. With a 1, 2, 3, 4, and once we get the 5 going, we're going to be real interested in the buy.
ポンドフランですね。1、2、3、4の4のパートでコレクションになっている可能性がありますと。なので上がってきてチャンネルブレイクしてたら買っていきたいよねと。買いにすごく興味がありますねってことを言ってます。なので今はもうすることないですよね。ウェッジですと。
But they're not ready yet to do this. So there's nothing to do while we're inside this wedge. Alright, so and finally the pound Aussie. Come on baby. Pound Aussie's in a wedge also. We're looking for this break to the upside. Alright. We're looking to see if we get this trade right here.
ポンド時は今これもウェッジなんですけど、上に抜けてきたら買っていきたいよねと。
Right? Now, if it takes this bottom out here, then we're looking to come down to here.
で、これボトムを抜けてったらここの HSI まで、持っていきたいね、売っていきたいねと言ってますね。
Right? So it will be a trend line break here. We could trade that immediately to the downside down to 61.42. If it comes out of the wedge up here, comes up here about 65.76, we're going to go to 67.45. Right? Beware the fundies, exactly right. Pip, the guy was at our house last night to fix her internet, and they didn't have the part on the truck. Can you imagine that, being an internet provider and not having a part on the truck? So she's coming back. So she's been down for 3 days. Poor thing. I'm sure she's having withdrawals by now. All right, everybody. That's what I see. Have a great day. We will talk with all of you.
はい、というわけで今日のセッションリキャップここまでです。結構ありますよね。結構ウェッジの中にもありましたし、取っていきたいねって言ってたのが結構100ピップ、200ピップっていうトレードありましたので、そちら取っていきたいなと思います。見ていきたいなと思います。それでは、今日もどうもありがとうございました。また明日です。それでは失礼します。